Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at the Chopard sunglasses model SCHC97 in color code 300P. The color of the frame is gold. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that it doesn't get scratched or damaged. The lenses are also polarized gray mirror. On its temples, you'll find the Chopard logo. These glasses are also titanium. On its inner right temple, you'll find the Chopard logo, that it's made of titanium, and that it's made in Japan, as well as the serial number. On its inner left temple, you'll find the model number, which is SCHC97. The dimensions of the frame: 59 is for its lens, 15 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. It also says that the lenses are polarized. On its nose pads, you also find the Chopard logo in gold. The glasses also come with a Chopard box, a Chopard case, and a Chopard dust bag. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com, and have a joyful day.